Learn how to contact Catenda Hub support and access documentation by following these simple, straightforward instructions. From asking questions to connecting to your favorite tools, this guide will help you get the support you need to get the most out of this app. First, click the bubble icon to the left of your profile picture in the top right corner. To contact support directly, click Ask a Question. A dialog window will open where you can begin interacting with support. You can ask any questions you may have about the Catenda Hub platform here. Our team will try to answer you as quickly as possible. You can also access our documentation from the Search for Help field. Please enter the topic you need help with here. A number of items will then be suggested. Select the item you are interested in. You are then redirected to the article or video in question. The article regarding connectors to Catenda Hub is always located below the support contact. There you will find the download links as well as the documentation for each connector. This guide has shown you how to contact Catenda Hub support, ask specific questions, and access documentation. Follow these instructions to get help and maximize your use of Catenda Hub.